At the 2025 NEA convention in Portland, Jewish delegates were physically surrounded and shouted at by anti-Israel advocates on the floor of their own union's national meeting. They were called white supremacists. They were asked to their faces, "How do you feel about the babies dying in Gaza?" Then things took a turn for the worse. A Jewish delegate from Colorado took the microphone and described the firebombing murder of Karen Diamond, an 82-year-old Holocaust survivor burned alive in Boulder just days earlier. The delegates around her laughed and clapped. According to a federal civil rights complaint filed by the Brandeis Center, the NEA had received threats against Jewish delegates before the convention. Their response, they removed the metal detectors from the entrance. The NEA Jewish Affairs Caucus sent a letter to the union president describing members who were mocked, harassed, and threatened. Jewish educators reported panic attacks and silent breakdowns at their own national conference. No one was investigated. No one was disciplined. The NEA is now under investigation by 2 congressional committees and faces a 297-page federal civil rights complaint. Next, episode 4. Follow the money. Subscribe, share. Every parent needs to see this.